My very warm greetings to the jury. I am Hariharan Karthik from the team AlgoNomads who have proudly qualified for the Smart India Hackathon 2025 at the college level. So our problem statement is AI powered mobile platform for democratizing sports talent assessment. Our problem statement ID is SIH25073 for your reference. So the solution that we have come up in order to solve this problem is our very own app Apex Athletic. As you can see, this is the home page interface of our app Apex Athletic. So the reason why we chose this problem statement is simple. As we all know, a lot of talent in India when it comes to sports has gone undiscovered due to the lack of facilities as well as the lack of exposure. And these talent cannot go undiscovered because if these talents are discovered, we can put our country India ahead of all other countries in the aspect of sports. And also, we believe that all the athletes and all the ones with talent must get the recognition and playtime that they deserve in whatever sport they choose to play. So, what our app does in order to solve this problem is basically it analyzes short video drills. It can either be live feed or pre recorded videos, and it gives feedback to the athletes in the aspect of metrics like technique, speed, agility, skill, etc., which are really crucial in the terms of sports. And the athlete in our app can also choose what sport they are playing in order to get feedback customized for that specific sport. And it also has has a feature that makes scouting much easier, which is the leaderboard feature. The leaderboard feature in our app puts the athletes in the leaderboard rankings based on the evaluated metrics that they have while they have used the app. So using the leaderboard, scouts all over India and all over the world can actually look at the leaderboard and pick athletes that deserve the recognition and can give them opportunities to represent different clubs in different sports. They can look through and find the athletes that are good and have the talent and have what it takes. Our app also gives feedback in the form of personalized player cards like you would have seen in games such as FIFA, Cricket 24, etc., which are really crucial for athletes to discover their own talent and also improve it over time. So we strongly believe that our app can put India ahead of a lot of other countries in sports and can grow the talent and give the recognition that every athlete in India deserves. So let us take a look at the demo of our app Apex Athletic. Let us try the live demo feature present in our app. So as you can see, it tells you to select the drill. For example, we can select drills such as squat analysis or push-up power test. Let's try the squat analysis first. As you can see, it gives a countdown as well as some instructions that the athlete must follow in order to make the test as accurate as possible. So as we just saw in the live demo, our feature could highly accurately assess the athlete's performance by tracking down the body motions during squat analysis. So when I was performing the squats, it captured every single joint of my body and also detected the motions that I was performing and also the speed and different aspects similarly in order to give accurate analysis. Now let me talk a bit about the technical approach to this solution. That is how we made this analysis using AI possible. So, for the mobile app implementation, we used React White TypeScript, and also for the backend, we used Node.js in order to analyze the details and come out with these accurate analysis. And also, in the tracking procedure using AIML, we have for the motion tracking, we have used the very famous library MediaPipe in order to be able to detect all the joints in my body and the movements in order to give accurate metrics. And also for the video analysis and for the extraction of these metrics analyzed, we have used TensorFlow library in Python. And also for the optional analytics and for the leaderboard feature, we have used our very own trusted pandas library. And for database, we have used Firebase Firestore in order to store all the details of the athletes personalized to them. Now let us take a look at the analyzing the video feature for the pre-recorded videos. So as you can see, we have a login interface that makes it specific to every athlete, and it makes it easier for them to keep track of all their analysis and improve themselves. So there's an option to sign up where you'll have to enter your email and password, and later on you'll have to verify it in your email ID in order to make the account creation successful. As I've already created an account, let me show you the analytics in my account. Now as you can see, I have successfully logged in into my account that already existed. So you can see that this is the dashboard where you can see my recent score, my personal best, sessions, rank in the leaderboard, etc. And it also shows the progress and keeps levels in order to make it more interesting and useful for the athletes and keeps them engaged in the app. So I can start new analyses, and also there are also badges that will be given to athletes based on their performance in order to make it more interesting and keep them engaged in the web app. So you can see that there are different tabs here, and also I can go to my profile in order to change my profile settings and see the notification, data privacy security, appearance, so that it becomes more interesting and useful and also engaging for the athletes. Language region, data management. In case of switch of accounts, the athletes can export in and out the data that they have already analyzed, as it is their hard-earned data and it would be really tough for the athletes to start over once again. So you can see that if I go, this is my profile info, and if I edit it here, I can also select my primary sport, and since I myself am a football player, I've selected soccer as my primary sport. And you can edit the username, see your achievements, and yes, this is the profile interface, which is one of the major interfaces in any app. Using the strong AI analysis feature, all my joints and all my movements are trackable, and also it is personalized for different sports based on the criteria that each sport requires. With the help of this, we can easily give athletes the analysis that they require in order to improve themselves and also place them on the leaderboard so that the scouts all over the world can scout them easily. And here are some simple screenshots of the backend, the database of this app. So as you can see, these pictures show the emails that have been registered till now for the account management process, which are stored in the backend database. As you can see, this is my email hariharan.hps@gmail.com that I used for the login. So this was the demo of our very own app Apex Athletic, and also the depiction of its potential. We strongly believe that this app can help change the future of India when it comes to sports, because a lot of talents, especially in the rural area, as I said, goes really undiscovered. And me personally, being a football player myself, I have noticed that coaches all over India have a main problem of not having access to such high advanced technology due to cost problems and it being very expensive. So we believe that our app can be accessible to all the coaches and can be a very big breakthrough in the field of sports and helping talents in India come out using a leaderboard feature as well as analysis feature. So hope you all love this app and know that we are ready in order to make this app the next big thing in India, and also for bringing out a lot of talents in the field of sports and giving the athletes the recognition that they deserve. Thank you.